Mindful morning rituals, starting your day with peace. Welcome and thank you for beginning your day with this peaceful moment. Find a comfortable seated or lying position. Allow your body to settle naturally. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a slow, deep breath in. And slowly breathe out. Feel the quiet stillness of the morning around you. This is a new beginning. A fresh start filled with calm and possibility. Let your breath become slow and steady. Allow your shoulders to gently relax. Release any tension in your face and jaw. Feel your body waking up with ease. Bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the air entering your body. And gently leaving your body. There is no rush in this moment. You have time to move with intention. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more present. More grounded and aware. Imagine a gentle light within you. Growing brighter with each inhale. Filling your body with warmth and clarity. Let this light represent peace and balance. A calm energy that will guide your day. You do not need to rush into your tasks. You can move through your day with calm awareness. Feel your breath anchoring you in the present. This moment is your foundation. Allow any thoughts to gently pass by. Like clouds moving across a clear sky. Return your attention to your breath. Each inhale bringing calm. Each exhale releasing tension. Feel your body relaxed yet awake. Your mind clear and steady. Take a moment to set a gentle intention. Something simple like peace or focus. Let this intention guide your actions today. You are ready to move forward with calm confidence. Take a deeper breath in. And slowly breathe out. Gently begin to bring awareness back to your body. Notice your surroundings. Carry this peaceful energy with you. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Please subscribe, like, and share. We see you in the next video.